Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss 5 reasons about getting up early in the morning. So why am I saying this as a reason? Because I think we need reason for everything. If you don't have a good reason for it, you might not do it. See, I am a person, I might not even talk to another person if I'm not having a good reason. So that's the thing. With that point of view, I have 5 tips on waking up early in the morning. So my first tip is do the thing you like first in the morning. Okay. I have seen this movie of Prabhudeva, and I think the girl name is Ditya. She's a dancer, so the movie was based on dancing. So in that movie, she wakes up dancing like wow. She wakes up dancing, and I really like that scene. So if you have something that you like that encourages you to wake up in the morning, and I think that is a really good reason to wake up. If you have it's not important that you like dancing, but there might be many other things that you want to wake up. Like we must have you must have already noticed that when we have our exam, we wake up early because we have to study. So it has given us a reason to wake up early. In that way, we have to create some reasons. So the thing you like will be the reason to wake you up early in the morning. Okay, so this was my first one, and my second one is don't have much food at night. Okay, I remember when I was a teenager, I don't know why I used to get so much early in the morning. Even if I had a good amount of food last night, still I used to get so much hungry, and I used to wake up at 5 and I'm like, that might be useful for you if you have less food at night. That might make you hungry, and you will wake up in the morning. The third one is similar to it. Drink more water at night. If you drink more water at night, you will eventually wake up in the morning to go for a pee, and that might help you to wake up and do other things. Fourth tip is all about your alarm. Okay, it does matter what kind of sound, what music it has. Okay, so I have this one sea waves sound with the music of flute, something like that. So it never helped me. Actually, it helped me to sleep more. So I have to change it, and now I have a song which is called a Fight Song by Rachel something. I don't remember her name, but it is a kind of song that makes me feel like I had to wake up and do something, do something important work in my life. So yes, if there is a song that makes you feel this way, then please make it your alarm. Okay, so yes, that is the one. And the second thing is don't snooze it. Okay, never snooze your alarm. Okay? Just if it's not turning off, then let it be on. I'm a kind of person, I let that song finish. The song has to be completely finished, and the alarm should go off by itself. I'm not touching the snooze button. Okay, say this to yourself. Say this to yourself, and it's going to work. And the third thing is keep your phone away from you where you cannot easily snooze snooze and get back to the sleep. So make it a little bit harder. If you wake up for 2-3 times and go and stretch your arms and turn it off, maybe for turning it off, it will actually break your sleep and wake you up. So this was the fourth tip, and here is the fifth tip, and I know it is going to help you and it is going to work for 100%. Okay, so why I'm telling this? Because this tip is about your parents. Okay, if you want to wake up, just go and tell your parents to wake you up. I bet they will not let you sleep for 1 extra minute. So that's it for today. I hope whatever I have said will help you and was helpful to you. Please try. If it works, then please comment down and like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you next time. Till then, stay motivated.